Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on U.S. Wells Services. I've talked about this one on the channel here a couple times. Looks like I last talked about it on the June 2nd. A couple times in May and another time in January. I used to hold this one. I just thought of something, and so I wanted to check the price on it, and I missed this dip here, so I might put in the buy order and try to hit that again. But this is U.S. Wells Services, ticker USWS. Like I said, I'll show you here in a moment. I used to own this one. This did have a nice run up here on June 2nd at $1.54, and then it's just been kind of coming down since then. And here's a look at it for today. So looks like it's really trying to break through that $4, $5 area. It's struggling to get back up to like the $6 range, and so we'll see what happens with it. But I might put in a buy order here at the $3 and catch that one, so we'll see if that fills. But if you don't know what this one is, it's hydraulic fracturing services in oil and natural gas, and so I think it'll run up here over the summer possibly, but this is a pretty volatile one, so again, who knows with this one. So if you're getting into it, just be careful with this one. Lots of volatility. Been around since 2012. Small volume on this one at $7.65 million and an $84 million market cap. So kind of a small company, but if you're looking to trade one, get some volatility, this is a fairly cheap one, and can get into it cheap and possibly make some money with it. So, and earnings coming up on August 4th in the pre-market. Here's why I bought mine. So I didn't have a whole lot invested into it back in January at $1.04, and then I think it dipped, and trade selling it at $1.08, and that didn't fill, so I just wanted to get out of this one because I thought it was going back down, and I just wanted to get out of it. And so I did a market order, which I usually don't do, and then it finally filled at $1.06. So still made some money on it, but nothing to brag about. But we'll see what it does here today. So it's really testing the line here. So. But this is another look at it here on bar chart. This is actually showing $3 over here. So so day's low of $3, high of $9, previous close at $4. And feel free to pause and go over the rest there. Here's the outstanding shares, the sales, and everything. So definitely one to watch, but keep a close eye on it. U.S. Wells Services, what it's worth and what to do about it. This is dated on the 4th, so last Friday. So the traded shares stood at 5,782,000 during the last session, with the company's beta value hitting 1.44. At the close of trading, the stock's price was $1.39 to imply a decline of 5.44%, or 8 cents intraday trading. 52-week high remains at 337, putting it down 142%, down since the peak, with an impressive 83.45% since price per share fell to its 52-week low of 23 cents. And so, just as I said again, lots of volatility with this one. This one can be up and it can be down. So I always recommend set your stop limits or set your sale stops, alerts, whatever you got to do to so you don't get left holding the bag on this one. So it is volatile, like I said. So, and just as you can see here, the 5-day price performance of the stock is 19.83% and 69.29% over 30 days. With these gigs, the year-to-date price performance is 235.51% short interest. Saw shorts transacts 1.83 million shares and set a 0.62 days time to cover. And just some more information here about USWS. So looking at the stats, analysts are intensifying that growth estimates for 2021 fiscal year. Revenue is forecast to grow 81.6% this quarter, before jumping 89.3% for the next one. The rating firms project that companies' for revenue will grow 41.2% compared to the previous financial year. Revenue forecast for the current quarter, as set by two analysts, is $85.45 million. Meanwhile, for the quarter ending September 1st, 2021, a total of two analysts estimate revenue growth to $93 million. And so they're still working on earnings, still smaller companies, so we'll wait and see what happens with this one. Over here to Reddit, finally got the USW Lite and got rid of most of my unmanaged. So not much here on Reddit, so we'll check out StockTwits. Currently at $1.44, could have got into it at 23 cents and a high of 3.37. That's what I say on a lot of stocks. Please, 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 sell me your share, I beg you. To the moon, could be, we'll just have to wait and see. Chasing non-existent revenues, fracking is on the decline due to environment activist concerns. E-frac, who cares? Debt, lawsuits, no money in the bank, perfect recipe for a disaster. So that's always in the back of my mind. There's always a bear here on a lot of different stocks, but you have to weigh out all of what they're saying as well. And some people get into these and hold them, and just hopefully they'll go up, or hopefully it'll turn into a Reddit or a meme stock or so on. But and just like this one says, so bears so funny to watch, idiots everywhere. Here comes the sells. Soon will be the on the dollar menu. Get the hell rid of this one. Nothing but trouble brewing. So, like I said, I haven't figured out if I want to get back into this one or not. But still weighing that out here, and not much here on tip ranks. But if you have USWS, go ahead and leave that in the comments along with your cost basis. And like I said, I might try some at $1.03 here. I just haven't put in the order yet. I'm just waiting to see what this does here. It keeps dancing around the $1.04, $1.05. There we are at 106. So could be an interesting day on this one, and it could prove me wrong. So, but if you have this one, go ahead and list it in the comments along with your cost basis and how many shares you have. That would be interesting to know. And if you haven't hit that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing. That would really help out the channel as well, and get the videos out to some more people. And I'm trying to get up to the 1,000 subscribers. And if you haven't hit the bell yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing, and that would really help out the channel as well. So I thank you for all the support. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.